my good buddy Raymond Ramnarine in the kitchen with me, believe it or not.
Yes, the professional is here, guys. The professional is here. I'm ready. I am ready, Joey.
But do you tell me the honest truth? Do you help your wife in the kitchen, Raymond?
No, guys.
You do it.
No, but sometimes I try to help. I mean,
you're on tours all the time.
Once she asked me to, boil the eggs, I did boil the eggs, and at least you're helping.
Did you get past boiling eggs, or that's?
I was not at home, unfortunately, to hear the end result. So
how
it came out. Yeah. So I fled. I make up an excuse. I said, you know what, I'm gonna get 2 doubles on the road. I'll be back in about half an hour.
But one of your new songs for 2016 has
Roti.
Roti. That's your chutney offering this year?
Roti. It have the dance, it have everything, Give me
quick.
Well, you have to put your hands like, you have to bail the roti. You have to hold the bail like this and bail it. But when you're bailing, you have to, you have to think carnival. So I say, the girl can't make roti, but the girl want to wine on me. The woman, she want to wind it up. Grind it up. The girl can't make roti, bust up shots and a good dal puri. The woman, she want to wind it. Bailey. Yeah, the Bailey. Carnival coming up, we must Bailey. That's just a sample.
Get cracking before we go.
They call me the roti specialist.
The roti specialist.
The roti specialist.
We're going to do eggs.
I am looking forward to this. Yes. I am looking forward, guys.
Let me do a quick disclaimer, Raymond.
Yeah.
My name is Joel Villafano. I am not a chef, but I can roll a recipe out on TriniCooks.com, and Raymond and I will have frittatas to eat at the end of the show.
Definitely, guys. Yeah? Definitely. I'm Raymond Ramnarine, and I'm ready for this.
Yes, we're doing a stovetop frittata, guys. Normally with a frittata, you do about 6 to 8 eggs, and you put it in your frying pan. You start the eggs in the frying pan, you put it in the oven, and then it comes out lovely. We're doing it as simple as possible. We're using less eggs. We're using just 4 eggs, and we're putting it on the stove top and finishing it on the stove top. You get perfect frittata looking eggs.
Ready for this?
We hope.
Yeah, man.
We hope.
Ready for this.
Let's start. Raymond,
yes, guys.
I'm oiling your pan. So
yes.
Raymond, we're doing two separate frittatas. I am doing smoked salmon and feta and green bean frittata. Raymond on his side, very excited.
I'm going to Mexico, guys.
He has a Mexican flavored frittata.
Yes.
He has black beans, tomatoes, peppers, onions. Yes?
I have my seasoning right here, guys.
Yes, it's great seasoning. He's overexcited.
Very important seasoning. Mexican frittatas, guys. It's here. It's coming. Let's go.
Yes, we crack the egg. We're cracking 4 eggs.
This is the most challenging part for me.
We're cracking 4 eggs. Come on, let's get those eggs cracked.
You can put the camera on here. You know what I mean? You don't have to put it on me.
4 eggs cracked, Raymond. Come on. Right. You're boiling it.
Woo. Professional, boy. You did 4 already?
I do 4 already.
Wow. You see, I tried to take my time because you see the Mexican one now, Joey, you need to take your time.
You need to take your time.
And crack the eggs.
And crack the eggs properly.
That's the secret in the Mexican frittatas.
I'm adding a little milk in here for you. Yes. You add just about a 1/3 cup of milk, guys, to the eggs. Raymond has his eggs.
Wow, this looks good already, guys. This looks good. Trust me. Mexican frittatas, man. Right, my job is to just follow what he's doing. And here we go.
Yeah. So this is simply called beating the eggs.
I love the sound, man. I love the sound. It feels like carnival.
Put on.
The girl can't make roti.
All right. Eggs cracked. You want to just make sure your oil all over your pan.
Yeah, man.
This is very, very important. Bam. Let's get the base of the frittata going. Onions, Raymond. Onions.
Yeah. Onions, guys, it's coming up. All right, here's my onion.
Yeah, onions.
Chicken make.
Get your peppers in there one time.
Yes. Pepper is very important.
You get your peppers in there.
Oh, no peppers for you?
No peppers for you.
Because I'm the Mexican.
You are the Mexican, so you have the peppers. I just want to add.
This looks good.
To season up the eggs, a little bit of green seasoning. Oh, you have your own green seasoning there?
I have my own green
seasoning.
You have
your own thing there?
Remember I told you I'm a professional cook.
Right.
So
add your green seasoning, brother. Add your green seasoning.
You have to add all?
Yeah, you can add all.
I knew that. I was just
Yeah,
joking.
you knew that.
Yeah, I knew that.
And remember, just in case you forgot,
Yeah.
the recipe is on trinnycooks.com.
I know.
You can check out the recipe on
I
trinnycooks.com.
messaged your wifey already, and I
Yeah?
told she, yeah, go log on, check it out.
Salt and pepper the eggs, no, bro.
Yes.
Salt and pepper the eggs.
Sure you don't want to do it for me? Yeah. It's your show.
Liberal salt and pepper.
Yes.
Yeah. Did.
Wow.
Yeah. Bam. Come on, let's shake there.
Yeah, man.
Look like the professional man.
We shaking. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It's good. Guys, this is such a brand new experience to me, and I'm so happy to be here in Copper Joe. I mean, I told him before I'm his biggest fan, so to my friends who's looking right now, I know you guys gonna say, Raymond, we lime in every day, and we begging you to cook, and you say you can't cook. Look where you come from.
Look where
you come in Copper Joe to cook.
Yeah. Right, so once the onions and the peppers come together like that, add your tomatoes and your black beans now.
Yep.
I am going to add green beans to mine. And yeah, that will be my green beans just to bring this together a little bit.
Oh, I just couldn't wait to use this, boy.
Raymond,
Yeah.
I like that chutney though.
Yeah, man.
I like that chutney.
Yes,
Are you going up? I mean, you're a former chutney monarch.
Yeah, former chutney monarch.
You're going back in it?
I always leave it up to the fans, Joey. Always leave it up to the fans. Whatever the fans say, man, if the fans say, Raymond, stay home, forget about the competitions, man. I listen to them. And that is exactly what I did in 2013. I had no idea I was going into chutney. So
Right.
And I posted up on social media, and the fans said, Ray, you need to go.
Yeah.
You need to raise the bar, so let me go. You know what I mean?
And you went brave.
Went brave. I mean, we
So
went all the way.
You're not sure if...
Not sure, man. You know what? I just focus more on the carnival, and I focus more on the all-inclusive fets.
Yeah.
I just focus on
when is Mocha? Are you starting Mocha again?
Oh, definitely, boy.
You're in Mocha this year again?
Yeah, Soca and Mocha must be there. Soca and Mocha, we must be there, man. Must be there.
Your seasoning layers, guys, that's most important. You add a little salt and pepper. So when you remember I told you the layers, seasoning in layers.
It's very important.
That little green.
Okay, so I have to actually take this and add it in.
Add in. No, what that is, Raymond, is really the Mexican spice. So there's a little bit of cumin, which is really geera.
Right.
Which is really roasted geera. You also have a bit of cayenne pepper there for a little heat. A little smoked paprika, a little blend of spices that we put together. Some of the Mexican spices.
This is basically going to be really spicy, yeah?
And that is going to get in there. It's going to be...
Well, spicy for them.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes when you go away and you go out in one of these fast food places.
Yeah, get in there one time.
In the US, they say, they said, guys, this is going to be a little bit spicy.
Yeah, when you
said,
taste it.
Now, you know what is spicy. Come Trinidad, you guys don't know what is spicy.
They know what spicy is.
They know what is spicy. Yes.
So you get that in there, and then it starts to get all happy and become one.
I can actually see the ingredients smiling.
Yeah. Right?
Got a smile back at them.
Right. So at this stage now, Raymond, the eggs are ready now to hit the pan.
Yep.
So you have your eggs there?
Yes, I got my eggs here, my brother.
It's properly.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Yeah. And let's go together.
Iron section.
Let's go together.
Let's go, buddy. Let's do this.
So you're pouring it all over the pan. Oh, you look there.
Wow. I've never looked better, Joe. I have never looked better.
So what I want you to do now, I want you to bring everything in together quickly as it's in this liquid stage, because it's going to start coming together very quickly now. This is timing here.
Timing. I'm a musician, so I'm supposed to have some kind of timing.
Supposed to have some timing.
Yeah, some kind of timing.
So very important for me now. On my end of the dish, I have left, the majority of your ingredients went in first.
Yes.
My own had to wait because the salmon cooks very quickly, so I didn't want to put my salmon in first. So this salmon goes in at this stage now. You just sprinkle the salmon in while the eggs are nice and liquidy still. You want it to set in there.
Wow.
Yeah? With the feta cheese. Now, Ray, what I want you to do with your cheese now as I'm on my cheese is you have cheddar cheese on your end. Sprinkle your cheddar cheese in liberally there. So we're cheesing now.
And all these years I only knew about scrambled eggs, guys.
So this is a stovetop frittata.
Wow.
Here's the big secret here now.
Yes.
When your cheese is in, you take a cover, you cover the pan, and you go and take a drink. Leave it alone.
Well, here what? I with you. I know what anybody, I with you.
You cover this pan,
yes.
You leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes and allow it to cook there. Allow it to cook.
So Joe, basically we're finished.
We can't.
I can't believe
we're not finished because what happens
well, I
here
need to
now?
go, I need to go into these things. I need to go into cooking. I
I
enjoy this.
I inspired this morning.
Yes, he inspired me,
Yeah,
boy.
yeah.
Call me the cooking entertainer, boy. I like this. I love this. I really enjoying this, man.
So open and let me see what you're looking like there.
I was just joking.
You're joking, yeah?
Oh, yes.
So you basically now just want it. Lower the heat down as well, Ray. This is very important because you don't want to burn the bottom.
Right.
So lower the heat down. And this is slow cooking. You cover it back down just to make sure you have to use a good pot that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Alright, nice. Ray, looking good, cover it back.
Cover it?
Yeah, the steam.
So we can go for that drink now.
The steam helps. The steam helps in there. It comes together, guys, and if you recognize, I could probably just show you mine. Once that liquid will all set there, it slides out of the pan so easily. It's a shame. And instead of having to push it into the oven and wait, in 2 to 3 minutes, this will be done. We're taking a short break. Raymond Ramnarine and myself, we will be back after this to taste up everything and plate up this lovely stovetop frittata. He's going Mexican style.
This is heaven, guys. This is heaven.
He's Mexican. I'm salmon and feta cheese.
Yes.
When we come back, we taste up and wrap the show with Raymond Ramnarine. Dil E Nadan in the house this morning on a cup of joe. Parang into chutney into soca.
Yes. Roti.
And roti. What is it?
Billy.
Billy.
Yes. Billy the roti. Billy the, yes. Billy the roti. Carnival come in.